Using Smart Thinking to receive feedback on your writing is very easy. To access Smart Thinking from the UNSW Smart Thinking Moodle page, click on the Access Smart Thinking link, which is located in the Welcome section. This will open a new window in your browser. The first time you click on this link, you'll see a system check page. Make sure you use the button Click here to continue. Please make sure you enable pop-ups on your web browser to be able to access Smart Thinking. This will take you directly to the landing page for Smart Thinking. To submit your writing, click on Writing Help in the horizontal bar at the top. You have 4 options to submit your work. For essays, reports, annotated bibliographies, literature reviews, and similar assignments of up to approximately 10 pages, please choose the Essay Center. For all longer submissions, please choose the Essay Center Extended Review. Before you can make your submission, you need to fill in the blank spaces with the appropriate information. What course is this assignment for? And what level of study is it? Example, undergraduate, postgraduate, PhD. Then, what is the title of your draft? And what is it about? Topic, particular instructions, word count, referencing style used. It's important to provide as much information as necessary for the Smart Thinking tutor to give you valuable feedback, as, please remember, they don't teach at UNSW. It is therefore important to include as much information as possible to receive useful feedback on your draft. You then need to tick off up to 2 areas of writing out of the 9 available that you would like the tutor to comment on. Finally, you are prompted to choose the type of tutor from the 4 categories listed. First available, English as a second language specialist, business or technical writing specialist, and creative writing specialist. Once you have provided all this information, click on the Choose File button to upload your document from your device. Please make sure you select the correct one, as submissions cannot be withdrawn once they have been made. Now, you're ready to submit your work. Click on the Preview and Submit button, and if you're satisfied with the document you're about to send, click Submit. If you need to change the document, please click Close. Then you can change your file by simply clicking on Choose File again and selecting the correct document. Once you click Submit, your draft will be submitted and you'll receive an email confirmation. When your feedback is ready for collection, you will also receive an email. To retrieve your feedback, go back to the Smart Thinking landing page and click on My Sessions. Your feedback document will be ready for collection. All you need to do is click on the document link and then click on Download Tutor Response File. Each time you submit drafts for review, all your feedback files will be available under My Sessions.